Looking for the best sewing machine in 2023? Well, the top-rated choice becomes increasingly difficult when you have so many brands and models available to choose from. When buying the ideal product for home, the first thing you need to do is to analyze your precise requirements. You need to ask yourself the right set of questions to pick the most appropriate fit on the market. Number 5. Genome. Portable, compact sewing machine perfect for beginners, alterations and sewing on the go. 11 built-in stitches including straight, zigzag, crescent with 2 needle positions, free arm, accessory storage, easy reverse and only 5 pounds threading diagrams, and top drop-in bobbin with clear cover makes for easy setup. Presser foot with finger guard protects little fingers. This line of machines is designed for entry-level, beginning sewing and quick-fix projects. Offering multiple stitch options, these machines are perfect for kids, dorm and apartment living, and traveling. It tackles household sewing tasks including hemming, mending, crafts, scrapbooking and paper crafting, etc. Once you master the basics, it may be time to move on to more full-featured models like the Genome Colorful Series, Arctic Crystal, Blue Couture and Pink Sorbet. In order to achieve best stitching results, fabric weights, quality of thread, tension settings and checking your proper threading both upper and lower may be necessary to ensure the best stitch results. Number 4. Brother HC1850. Unique built-in stitches. The HC1850 includes 130 sewing stitches including 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes, plus 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches, advanced needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing and quilting machine includes an advanced needle threading function that easily pushes thread through the needle with the press of a lever and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The HC1850 quilting and sewing machine includes a wide table, 8 feet, instructional DVD, manual and more LCD screen. Easily select your stitches with the touch of a button and view your selections on the LCD display at your side support. The HC1850 quilting and sewing machine comes with Brother at your side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat or phone for the life of your machine. This product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale voids the warranty. Carton contents accessory pouch with needle set, twin needle, ballpoint needle, bobbins, 4, extra spool pin, seam ripper, cleaning brush, screwdriver, power cord, English, Spanish instructional DVD, English, Spanish operation manual, USB cable not included, warranty 25-year limited warranty. Number 3. Singer, 85 plus, USD, included accessories 110 stitch applications for any fabric. Basic, stretch, decorative easy one-step buttonhole for consistent results every time. Automatic needle threader quickly threads machine with ease, free arm to sew hard to reach areas. Included accessories. Pack of needles, bobbins, 15 class transparent, thread spool cap, needle plate screwdriver, seam ripper, lint brush, soft-sided dust cover, all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, edge, quilting guide, darning plate, auxiliary spool pin, LED lighting. 110 volts machine. The frame is metallic and the outer covering is plastic. The Singer M3500 sewing machine offers basic and decorative stitches, along with stretch stitches, so you can sew a wide range of fabrics, from sheer to stretch, knit to denim and more. Stitch width and stitch length can be adjusted to further customize stitches the way you want for your projects. Number 2. Brother, 60 unique built-in stitches. The Brother CS6000i includes 60 built-in sewing stitches, including decorative stitches and 7 styles of auto-size buttonholes, automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This sewing and quilting machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. The CS6000i includes a hard protective case, wide table, 10 sewing feet, needle set including twin needle, 3 bobbins and more, LCD screen. Easily select your stitches with the touch of a button and view your selections on the LCD display. 25-year limited warranty. The CS6000i is backed by a 25-year limited warranty with free technical support for the life of the product. This product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale voids the warranty. This user-friendly and portable sewing and quilting machine offers a wide range of quilting and sewing features at an affordable price. The CS6000i features 60 built-in sewing stitches, including decorative stitches and 7 styles of one-step buttonholes. There are 9 presser feet included in this machine: buttonhole, overcasting, monogramming, zipper, zigzag, blind stitch, button fitting, walking, and spring action quilting foot. This machine also includes a detachable wide table that is perfect for larger quilting projects. The Brother CS6000i sewing machine has been engineered for ease of use. A simple-to-view backlit LCD display, an automatic needle threader, easy-to-follow threading diagrams, and an adjustable sewing speed control system are all included. An easy-to-see, brightly lit sewing area is quite helpful when sewing on dark fabrics. An automatic needle threader has been added to perfectly align thread through the needle. A built-in free arm helps to assist with sewing pant legs, sleeves, and other cylindrical items. The CS6000i sewing machine also includes a hard machine case, making it a perfect traveling sewing machine. The CS6000i sewing and quilting machine includes a printed quick start guide and complete instructions manuals in English and Spanish. We do not recommend using this machine in countries that do not support 120 volts AC, even if a voltage adapter is in use. This sewing and quilting machine includes a bilingual user manual, a 25-year limited, and free technical support for the life of the product. Number 1. Singer. Singer Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. The 23 built-in stitches including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches allow you to sew a variety of projects, such as fashions, home decor, quilts, crafts, and more. Automatic needle threader sewing machine. After following the threading path printed right on the machine, this built-in feature helps you to effortlessly thread the eye of the needle without eye strain or frustration. Amps, 0.7 watts, 84 volts, 120 Hz, 60 high-speed sewing machine. The Singer 4423 sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of 100 stitches per minute, so projects can be sewn quickly. The 60% stronger motor provides greater piercing power for thick seams. Heavy-duty metal frame. The Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine is a true workhorse. With a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bed frame, extra high sewing speed and powerful motor, this sewing machine can sew through a variety of heavyweight fabrics and provides long-lasting stability. Sewing machine accessories. A variety of accessories are included with all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper, lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin felt are all conveniently located and stored in the accessory tray. A soft-sided dust cover is also included in the packaging warranty. Singer 4423 heavy-duty portable sewing machine has 25-year limited warranty. Note: refer to the videos and also the PDF attached below in technical specification for manuals. Included accessories: all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper, lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin felt, soft-sided dust cover. Whether you're looking to make garment alterations or to start a new project from scratch, the heavy-duty Singer sewing machines and its sewing accessories are an easy-to-use and versatile products. Its automatic needle threaded is sewing's biggest time saver, and the machine's 100 stitches per minute speed allows you to bring your creative ideas to life quickly. While threading the top thread, always thread the machine with the presser foot in the up position. Always turn the handwheel towards you, counterclockwise, to avoid damage to your machine. Voltage 120 volts.